Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are about to explore Flask, that is HTTP method. So now let's begin with the HTTP methods such as get and post in Flask using Python. So first the methods are get, post, put, patch and delete. Get is for requesting the data from the server, post is for submitting data to the process to the server, put is for replacing the entire sources with the new data, patch is for parts of the resources without replacing, delete is for deleting the data on the server for the specific locations. Okay, now let's get started. Now let's dive into Flask HTTP methods. As you already know, HTTP methods are rules which define how to communicate between the client and server. Okay, now let's see an instance. When you search on Google, the browser sends a request and then Google server returns the result. So this is the HTTP method. Get method is like used to request the data from a server. It also appends data to the URL in a name value format. Also it should be for sensitive, not for sensitive data. Okay, now let's see the examples. App.py, which contains the Flask app code. Square num is the home page where the user enters the number. Answer means displays the calculator. These are the format we are going to create now. Now let's begin with the Flask app. So from Flask, importing Flask, request and render template. Next, creating an instance. After that, app root of that is the square methods get. For getting the square, first they are defining square number is equal to that the request arguments. Next, if number is none means render template square num for user to send. Use square num is was user to enter the input. Lf number dot strip invalid number and try means square integer number into 2. Return render template answer square num of square number num except value. Heading that is the invalid input, please enter the valid number, and at last they are running. So here the request that args.get number returns the number from the URL parameter and the square of the number is calculated. Next, for code for square and document, that is HTML head meta character UTF-8 title square of the number heading paragraph welcome to max page. All this format will be displayed from form. I want it in the form, so method get action square. Enter a number. Input type is equal to text name number ID. Next type text submit number btn num and btn num. Okay, so next the code after that you have to close the form body and HTML code for answer. Here the document HTML language head character, that is the meta character UTF-8 title answer page heading keep learning max square of the max. So here the output will be here the welcome to the max page. Okay, this is for first one. Second one is for the square name max calculation result. So post method is used to send the data to the server for processing. Unlike the get, it does not append the data. So now let's see the post method for app.py. Here methods get post. In the previous we saw only the get method. So if request method post means number request form of number. If number strip means empty invalid number square rendering and return rendering. So answer is square num. Okay, where the user enters the input and sending and calculating the answers. Okay, which supports both for get and post. Now let's see the code for square num HTML. So here the same, but only the form method has been changed. Label enter a number and input type text name. Next calculate. Next input type submit value calculate. So welcome to the max page. Here they will be calculating. Okay, this number of the square number will be calculated. So let's see the output. Welcome to the max page. The heading enter a number to find its square. Enter a number. It is in the form of it is the format of form. Okay, so I hope now you understood. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this video was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you all.